Good morning. Welcome to my Tuesday. My stormy again. Cold. My nose is cold. Such a tremendous cloud cover. So the question was asked, wouldn't Buddy and Mona stay by my side without a leash? I'm not sure, because it's not worth the risk to see. The examples we've had, Buddy, small dog, out in the desert, coyotes. Yeah, they would get him. So I can't risk him running off chasing a scent in the desert. Mona is a prime example of why you don't want your dog just running loose in the desert. Because I know this story of Mona and Bob. Bob got Mona about the same time I got Buddy. He was up here. I was down in Y. And I get an email from him. And he's talking about the idea that, look at all this space. What a great place to just let your dog run free, especially a big dog who can kind of look out for herself. Except for if she steps in a cactus. Which is where, guess what? All the little animals run to hide. So it's not that Mona came home with cactus in her paws. She came home with her mouth full of cactus quills. Because a dog will try to get the cactus quill out of its foot with its teeth. Poor Bob. He told me the story how he used needle-nosed pliers on a dog he had probably only had her a matter of weeks. At this point, she was not happy. But apparently she let him do it. And she would let me do it. But neither one of us want to go through that pain. She doesn't know it. I do. So this morning, I am out showing you the storm. And it's very representative of my November and my December. November was hard and December was worse. But we made it. Now comes the hard part. What's 2022 gonna bring us? I know this. On January 12th, my daughter Sarah will be arriving in Las Vegas, which just so happens to be really close to me. And she's going to spend a week. I get her an entire, almost, 2 days of travel time, because it's a long way. Oh my goodness. So, Betty really has to get her act together. We're going to go inside because I hear dogs. They're running in a pack. And they're getting closer. So me and Mona's going in. It's kind of chilly out here. Okay, it's later in the day. There's probably wind noise, I apologize. But I have work to do. Work to do, and I can't let the storm and the wind stop me. So I thought I would just take y'all along the way and see the things I got to do today.
One, two, three, four.
Got to find a way if you wanna go. Got to find a way if you want to go. There ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Got to find your own. Got to hit your heart if you want to love. Got to hit your heart if you want to love. There ain't nobody gonna do it for you. Got to find your own. you want to live, got to find your own. If you want to live, there ain't nobody gonna give it to you. You got to find your own. Your soul, if you want to know, gotta sing your soul. If you wanna know, you know you gotta let go. If you want your own, got to let it go. If you wanna fly,